Hi guys, 51 Foxy. I've used these stoves a few times now from Bushcraft Essentials. All absolutely fantastic stoves. So today we're going to have a review and also see them all in action. You've already seen the review on the fire piston, which is brilliant. So today we're going to do a review on the outdoor pocket micro stove, which is the smallest one. The Bushbox ultralight outdoor pocket stove, which is one that's similar to the Trangier Triangle. The Bushbox pocket stove, which is the medium sized one, and my favourite of all is the Bushbox XL. So we'll get them all fired up guys, all put together and fired up, and then we'll bring you back. Right guys, fetch you back. Now we've got them all fired up and going. Bushbox XL, Bushbox ultralight, that's going on a Trangier burner. Bushbox outdoor pocket micro, that's going on exit tabs broke up. And the Bushbox outdoor pocket stove. All natural tinners apart from a little bit of wood in it that's from home. Fantastic. All cracking products from Bushcraft Essentials. My favourite's got to be Bushbox. I love that Bushbox XL, I love it. Brilliant tool. Saying that, I like that one because it can go in your pocket. We can all go in your pocket as easy as hell, like, you know what I mean? No weight to them, it's fantastic. And I thought that were a decent idea to put exit blocks in that one to broke up. Works well. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy 2 new trivets for the top, so I can have 4 trivets, have it as like a grill. That's the next thing I'm going to get. So I'll double it up to 4 trivets so I can put steak on top of it, or burgers on top of it. I've got a plate that can fit on top of it. I just fancy that char grill look. Alright guys, I'm going to get some water on and I'll bring you back in a minute. Fetch you back guys, just to show you them all with different things on. Got a little titanium cup on the micro, Stanley pot on the pocket stove. Got nothing on the ultralight at the moment, so I've got enough pots on me. And Dave Canterbury bush pot, stainless steel, on the Bushbox XL. That works a treat guys with hexamine blocks in the micro. Absolute treat. As you can see, I've only just put it on. Getting bubbles already. But like I said before, awesome products. And not forgetting a little dog tag. It's just burnt out, Trangier now. I hope you've enjoyed this little review guys. Don't forget, get yourself the Bushcraft Essentials website. If you're in the market for a little pocket stove, a wood burning pocket stove, Bushcraft Essentials are definitely the ones to get, without a shadow. That little micro is raging. Got a big piece on this. I want some more kindling on it. Alright guys, that's it for this review. So we'll catch you all later on. Bye for now. Don't forget, let's be careful out there.